going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the most common questions outdoor growers ask. When should I actually plant my cannabis seeds outdoors? And honestly, if you plant too early, you can create problems before your grow even gets started. A lot of people get excited when the winter ends, temperatures start warming up, and then immediately want to move their plants outside. But spring weather can be unpredictable almost anywhere in the world. One cold night, unexpected frost, heavy rainstorm, or sudden temperature drop can stress young plants or even kill them. In this video, I'm going to keep things simple and explain the best time to plant outdoors, what temperatures you should be watching for, and a few tips that can help make your outdoor season much more successful. First off, cannabis loves warm weather, especially when your plants are young. Seedlings are delicate and don't handle cold temperatures very well at all. For most growers, the ideal time to move plants outdoors is once the risk of frost has passed and temperatures have become consistently warm. And honestly, your nighttime temperatures matter even more than your daytime temperatures. You might have beautiful warm days, but if temperatures are dropping close to freezing overnight, your plants aren't going to be very happy. Personally, I like to wait until nighttime temperatures are consistently above 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit before leaving plants outdoors full time, because weather can be unpredictable in many regions, and a lot of growers choose to start their seeds indoors first. This allows young plants to establish strong roots in a stable environment whilst outdoor conditions continue to improve. Then once the weather becomes consistently warm, they can be moved outside. In many cases, this results in larger, healthier plants by the end of the season. Now, if you're growing photoperiod strains, starting indoors several weeks before outdoor planting season can be a great strategy. It gives plants extra vegetative growth before flowering begins later in the year. Auto-flowering strains are a little different. Since auto-flowerings grow based on age rather than changes in light and daylight hours, many growers prefer to wait until warm weather has fully arrived before starting them outdoors. Because their life cycle is shorter, you want to avoid anything that might stunt their growth during that early stage. Another important factor is sunlight. Cannabis plants absolutely love sun. The more direct sunlight they can receive, the better. Ideally, you want a location that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. You'll also want to avoid areas where water tends to collect after rain. Poor drainage can lead to root problems, slower growth, and increased risk of mold disease later on in the season. And even after your plants are outside, keep a close eye on the weather forecast. Unexpected cold snaps, heavy rain, strong winds, or extreme heat can all affect your plants. Successful outdoor growing is really about patience. The growers who rush their plants outside often run into problems. The growers who wait for stable conditions usually end up with healthier plants and much smoother growing season. If you'd enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below with any grow tips you'd like to see covered in the future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.